Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix. Stream a wide variety of games right on your TV through Samsung Gaming Hub. Connect your controller through Bluetooth or USB. From the home screen, press left on the remote. Navigate to and select Games. Accessories and Music. Controllers. Select a controller to connect to the TV. For more information about supported controllers, refer to Using the Gamepad. Audio. Select an audio device, for example gaming headset, to connect to the TV. Music player. Manage the music to play while playing a game. Please refer to the e-manual for Using the Gamepad. Apps and devices install or remove apps or devices that are required to play games. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.